average person is expected to live 73 years on the planet. The interactions with the healthcare system during this time might be the most critical moments of our lives. Let's take you as an example. You're 19. The pandemic locks you inside. You need to get PCR tests to do anything. In 1981, PCR was just an idea. By 1996, 2 commercial PCR instruments were on the market. 10 years later, we had palm-sized Ebola detectors. Synthetic biology can create diagnostics beyond PCR testing. An iGEM team from India engineered a microfluidic device to detect biomarkers of major depressive disorders. Companies use CRISPR technology to develop new tests for a wide range of diseases. Synthetic biology is expanding our tools for diagnostics. You're turning 21. mRNA vaccines make public spaces safe again. A triumph of synthetic biology that progressed from an ambitious idea to the forefront of the global pandemic response. To detect future epidemics, an iGEM team from the Netherlands designed a laboratory-independent kit to test for any epidemic-prone pathogen. Teams from France and Italy use gene editing to prevent infections from antibiotic resistance. Biopharma companies like Precigen develop gene and cell therapies against infections from viruses like HPV. Synthetic biology is stopping the spread of infectious diseases. You're 42. What the doctors are saying sounds incomprehensible. But there's hope. It's been 2 decades since your first time at iGEM. You've seen therapeutics develop beyond what you could imagine. The first biotechnology company, Genentech, brought synthetic human insulin and human growth hormone to market long decades ago. Since then, iGEM projects have treated intestinal disorders using engineered gut microbes, developed a plant-based modular system to target pathogens, and even managed obesity-related diseases with nanomachines. Companies founded by iGEMers like Alligo Biosciences have been developing new therapeutics with microbiome precision editing. Asimov has been integrating stable cell lines and software design tools for therapeutic research. Synthetic biology is advancing therapeutics. You're 60. The thought of losing a friend is frightening, but they caught it early and hundreds of cancer treatments are available. Oncology projects by iGEM teams have targeted cancer cells using RNA-based systems, temperature-controlled engineered bacteria, and genetically engineered liposomes. Early detection of cervical cancer and colorectal cancer is possible thanks to iGEM projects from Indonesia and Korea, using biodevices that detect microRNA biomarkers. Synthetic biology is improving survival with new tools for oncology. You're 80 now. You look back at life and you marvel at what you and your peers were able to accomplish. With synthetic biology, we can diagnose illnesses more accurately, prevent, stop, and treat the spread of epidemics, create more accessible and better treatments, and improve the lives of cancer patients. Healthcare villages unite iGEMers and other medical researchers to build a future where healthcare is effective and accessible for all.